at Metric Maths Made Easy by Majola YouTube channel, or at metric.maths.made.easy TikTok channel. See on chapter 22. We're winding up now. Quadratic expressions. Remember, when we were dealing with quadratic expression, there was no solving for x or any unknown. Yeah. So what we did first was to factorize. So I taught you how to factorize, even the L method, and then we did the second one, complete a square. Did it from the first principles, and then we said determine the minimum or maximum values with your axis of symmetry as well there. So now we're doing the last one, the general case. Yeah, a squared plus bx plus c, which is the standard form, also called the standard form. So now, if you take that a squared plus bx plus c, which is standard form, and then you complete a square here, you know what to do. You group the terms with x, and then you make the coefficient of x squared equals to 1. Yeah, so a squared, and then here we have to divide by a x, so that you don't change the form, still the same thing, plus c. C is going alone. And then now we know when we complete a square, what we do is you write x squared plus b over a x. Now we have to half the coefficient of x. So half the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b over a, and square it, right? But now, in order to be aligned, so that you still have a squared plus bx, we must subtract it. Yeah, so we subtract b squared over 4a squared, and then we close the brackets, and then we still have this term. Yeah, these two terms here, because this one is actually 0. Yeah, but don't forget to add a c. Now we've got a perfect square. So write a times x plus b over 2a all squared minus b squared over 4a squared. Close brackets. Don't forget the c plus c. Yeah. So now we need to take out this term out of the big brackets. Yeah. So what you do is you multiply it through by a. So end up with the a in open brackets x plus b over 2a close brackets all squared. Yeah, so multiply by a, and then multiply this one by a, so the a squared is going to become a, so we have minus b squared minus over 4a, because the a is cancelled to the a squared, plus c. So, and then now we just need to make this one one term, yeah, common denominator and everything like that. So got your a, open brackets x plus b over 2a, which is squared, minus. So here we got a common denominator of 4a times, okay, c over 1 times 1, yeah? And then how many 4a's is there? There's 1a, 4a's, then some b squared, and then how many 1's in 4a? There are 4a c. Always check whether you can still get what you call. So now we've got, if you take the 4a here, so we've got minus b squared over 4a, and then there, if you come here, then 4a and 4a is going to cancel, and it's going to be positive c. So I'll discuss this further in the next video. please just try and practice it and see if you can get the same answers I'm getting and share with the others.